So I've been everywhere, including under the kitchen sink, and I never heard of anti-true sex. I heard of everything else. So handy dandy tool to rip tape. Forgive the lighting. It's like 5 a.m. Christmas morning. Everybody sleeping. And so it goes. Cheap tape. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm excited. Oh yeah, cool, look at that. So competition remote. It looks like almost competition, but the steering feels like a real steering. Right, left. It's a wibbly wobbly steering, man. Off. Anyway, I'll see that later. So here the remote was. Let's get down to the business. Oh boy. The batteries. USB kinda see that HD charger. Okay, so it's charging with 5 volts. Is a nickel cadmium battery. Can't wait to upgrade this shit. Look at that. 7.2 volts. Nice card. Seriously. Okay, well. And the real freaking deal. Like, oh great. Those staples. Oh well. Only in China. Ta-da! Good. Here comes the 4x4. Here comes the 4x4. And it will be in a mess. So be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a monster. Look at that. That's big, man. I say give or take 4-inch tires. It's solid. So yeah. Oh yeah, competition shock absorbers, man. I'll give you a better picture. Just a bit. Flashlight. So yeah, we get more views of the car in the morning. So yeah, we pick up. Hold on for like, hold on till the sun rises. I gotta get this thing charged. So re-energize to run. It's the hero car, the king of climbing. Sorry for the shadow.